I'm working on a Mk4 Jetta right now, and the customer's complaint is this gator here for the shifter was torn. I know I started this video kind of already into the job, but I just want to show you that you can. Here's the old one. It was ripped and this whole bottom section was missing. I just want to show you that you can repair this in place, and you can pull this all apart just like this without pulling the whole center console out. It's not very difficult to get the center console out, but this is even easier. So this just clips on with little clips. You can see there's 4 of them on this plastic piece, there and there, there and there, and you can release that with a screwdriver. And then once you have this chrome piece out of here, and the chrome piece just clips onto the sides, so you can also use a screwdriver or a pick to pop this thing off there, and it all just kind of pulls apart pretty easily. And then you can get down here to this, and you just stick the new one in like the old one was, get the old pieces out the best you can, and you can snap it all back together. So getting the shifter off was a little bit of a trick, but it's not very difficult. Here's the shift knob. So all you have to do is, you can see this is barbed at the end. All you have to do is pull down on this chrome piece that goes on here first like this. So you pull down on that, and it unclips from the bottom of this, and then you can pull this knob out a little bit. You can pull it outwards and then just pull straight up, and it just pops right off there. So that's it, just showing you that you can do this all in place. This was just a little Amazon, I think it was $5 or $10 for this little repair piece, and then you can get it looking right again. So thanks.